This lesson we're going to be multiplying by 6, but we're going to use the distributive property to help us. So if I'm doing a problem, say 6 times 7, okay? Now I don't know my 6's very well yet. I don't know my 7's very well, but let's think of facts we do know. So if I decompose my 6, say into, what are some pretty easy ones? Maybe 5 and 1. I know my 5's pretty well and I know my 1's pretty well. I'm going to be able to multiply it easier, okay? So by decomposing, I'm distributing what I am multiplying. So I am first going to put 5 times what? 7, because I'm multiplying 5 times 7. And then I am going to do my 1 times 7. So then I'm going to put 1 times 7. Okay, well, what's 5 times 7? Well, if you're not sure, you can easily count by 5s, right? So if you're not sure, you can go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So 5 times 7 is 35. Some of you may already have your 5s memorized and you're like, oh, that's 35. Super easy. Now I'm going to do 1 times 7. Well, guys, we know our 1's really easy because anything times 1 is that number. So 1 times 7 is 7. Now I have 35 and I have 7. What's 7 more than 35? Well, if I'm looking at it, it's going to be 42. So 6 times 7 is 42. If I have a student get stuck on a problem, I always tell them we'll multiply by 5 and then add 1 more. We multiplied by 5, the 7 times 5 to get 35, and then I just had to add 1 more 7 to get to my final answer, 42. So it's a great mental strategy to use if you're not sure. Okay, so we're going to multiply by 6 again. Let's see, if I do 6, and let's multiply that by 9, okay? So I'm going to do 6 times 9. What are those easy facts that we can get out of 6 again? Well, that's right. We can decompose 6 into 5 and 1. So then I am going to distribute. I'm going to do 5 times 9. And really, you can kill that 6 once it's gone. Once you break that up, that 6 is gone. Okay? So then I need to do 5 times 9. And then 1 times 9. Okay? So 5 times 9, again, if you need to count by 5s, you can use your fingers, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Or some of you may already know what 5 times 9 is. We'll also get into the 9's trick in a couple more videos. So then I have 45, then 1 times 9 is going to give me another 9. So I need to add the 45 and the 9. 45 plus 9, that gives me 54. Okay? Let's do one more with the 6's here. Let's do one more. Let's do 6 times 4. Now, I know in a previous video I told you just double your double when it comes with 4. So what if you don't like to think of doubling my double? What if the doubles aren't your favorite? Well, let's look at it this way. I can think of what 5 4's is and then add another 4, right? So I'm going to decompose 6 into 5 and 1. And then, oh, I just got rid of my 6, right, by breaking it up. Then I'm going to distribute by going 5 times 4 and then 1 times 4. So 5 times 4, 4 5s gives me 20. 1 times 4 gives me 4. And we know 20 and 4 makes 24. So this is how you can use the distributive property to help you multiply by 6. We will use this property to also help us with our 7s, 11s, and 12s. Let me put my final answer there.